Hi everyone, this is Anna back with another stamping video. Today's is going to be very quick. I am just going to share a quick tip with you for how to add glossy accents to projects that you make. If you look at this butterfly right here, and you can see on these dragonflies that I have added gloss to those. Sometimes you get done with a project and it just needs something a little bit extra and you're not sure what, and you can only use so many rhinestones. It's nice to have some different tricks for adding something a little extra when you want that when you get done with the project. So the way we are going to do this was with our fine tip glue pen. This glue is fantastic. If you have never used this, I highly encourage you to try it out. It has this little tiny tip that the glue comes out of. So when you are attaching detailed pieces, this glue is perfect. But because of the fact that it dries clear and it dries hard, it's not sticky, you can really do a lot of other things with it. So one of those things you can do is, there's my daughter yelling at me in the background. One of the things you can do is to add these glossy accents. So you can see what I'm doing. I am just writing, using that fine tip over the parts that I want my gloss on. You can go as detailed with this as you want. One thing to keep in mind is that this can cause ink to blur. So wherever you put it, you want to make sure that usually if you keep it on a solid color, usually you're going to be okay. Where the ink and no ink here came together, it blurred just a touch, which with this light color isn't a big deal, but it is something to keep in mind that it can cause that ink to blur. So in just a few seconds, you can add some nice touches to your projects. One little tip before we go: when you finish using your fine tip glue pen, make sure that you get this little wire inserted back inside the tip. And because I can't get my face close right now, I'm having a hard time seeing it. But you want to get that inserted back inside, there we go, and get it screwed on tight. If that does not get inside, it will glue the tip shut. There are some tips for getting it unclogged. Maybe I'll share those on another day. But make sure you get that inside. If not, you're going to have a glue pen with a glued up tip. So I hope you enjoyed today's glossy accents tip, and I hope to see you again next time. Have a great day.